In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own PNG file using Canva in just a few simple steps. Whether you're designing graphics for social media, presentations, or personal projects, knowing how to save your work as a PNG file is incredibly useful. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Canva website and open up your design. This could be anything you've created, a logo, a social media post, or even a custom illustration. Once you're on the design page, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on that. Clicking Share will bring up a menu with several options on how you can share or download your design. Canva really makes it easy to get your work out there, whether you want to send it to someone directly or save it for your own use. From this menu, look for the Download option and click on it. This is where you'll control how your design is saved to your computer. When the download window opens, you might notice that a default file type is already selected. This is often set to JPG or PDF, depending on what you've used before. But for today, we want to make sure it's set to PNG. So click on the drop-down menu where the file type is listed. A list of available formats will appear. You'll see options like JPG, PDF Standard, PDF Print, Video, and more. Scroll through and select PNG. PNG files are great because they can have transparent backgrounds, which is perfect for logos, stickers, or overlays. They also maintain higher quality than JPGs, so your design will look crisp and professional. Once you've selected PNG, you're almost done. Go ahead and click the download button at the bottom right of the menu. Canva will start preparing your file. It only takes a few moments to process, so just wait patiently while it works its magic. After a short moment, your PNG file will be saved to your computer. Usually it goes into your default downloads folder, though this can vary depending on your browser settings. And just like that, you've successfully created and downloaded a PNG file using Canva. This method is especially useful if you need high-resolution images or designs with transparent backgrounds for your projects. Remember, with these simple steps, you can export your graphics quickly and easily, just like a pro. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you in all your creative endeavors with Canva. Now, you're ready to take your designs anywhere and make them look amazing.